Hello students, welcome again. In this video, I will solve question number 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 1.1 from your textbook of class 6. Okay. Now, it's all about basically the international number system, because this number system is very important but somewhat different than Indian number system. So let's see. I am going to solve question number 8, 9 and 10. First, I am going to tell you something about international number system. So concentrate on the board. As you know, in the Indian number system, we count the places of digits in this way. Means अगर कोई नंबर हमारे सामने लिखा है तो उसके डिजिट्स के जो प्लेस हैं उसको हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. आई विल राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द प्लेसेस इन बोथ द सिस्टम्स सो यू कैन इजीली कंपेयर. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस डायरेक्शन. इट इज वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore, then 10 crore and so on. But in the international number system we have to start from right hand side. Okay, left से start तो करना ही नहीं है. Then it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then it is not lakh. इसमें lakh और crore नहीं आएगा. So what becomes next? It is 100,000. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then comes million. Okay, then we can write 10 million and then 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. In this way we can identify the places of the digits in international number system. Okay, so you can see the textbook on page number 7. It is given these tables. Okay, these are very important. We can write a numeral in a word form. Okay, but sometimes there are few questions, but sometimes we face some questions which have different pattern, but we have some basic knowledge about the places of the digits in both the number systems. Again I tell you, इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में हम लेख और करोड़ यूज़ करते हैं, बट इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम में ये दोनों वर्ड्स ही नहीं है. इस तरह की कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है. वहाँ पर मिलियन और बिलियन यूज़ होते हैं. ऑलराइट, बट देर इज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. सपोज अ नंबर हैज़ 9 digits. Okay, so the number is 8, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6 and 7. Okay, these are 9 digits. So in Indian number system this number is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, and in international system it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so here these 3 digits are reserved for ones place, next 3 digits are reserved for thousand place, and these 3 digits are reserved for million place. So we will use this concept to write a number whose some related information is given, and we will write a number in word form. Okay, now Question number 8 is a certain 9-digit number. Okay, I will not write the question completely because you have the books. It has only 2's in one place. So first think about 9-digit number means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. हमने 9 places यहाँ पे रिजर्व कर लिए हैं. Now we have to write some digits here. So the condition is it has only 2's in ones period. As I told you, these 3 digits are used for ones period. So I'll write 2 2 and 2. Then only 3's in thousands period. Next 3 places are reserved for thousands period. So we will write 3 3 and 3. And only 4's in millions period. Next 3 digits are reserved for millions period. So we will write 4 4 and 4. So we have found the digits and their right places. Now write the number in words in Indian system. Okay, this question is confusing. Okay, because इसमें जो क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज है उसमें इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम यूज़ किया है, बट यहाँ हमें इस नंबर को इंडियन सिस्टम में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. नाउ इट बिकम्स ईजियर. हाउ? हमने सारी डिजिट्स क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग लिखी है, अब हम इसको इंडियन सिस्टम में इजीली लिख सकते हैं. सो काउंट द प्लेसेस. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So it is 44 crore. Now the answer is 44 crore. Then 43 lakh, because it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 43 lakh. Next, we have finished till here. Now it is 33,000 because it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So we'll use 2 digits. This is 33,000 and remaining digits ones, tens, hundreds. So it is 222. Students, this is the answer for this question. I hope question is very interesting, but आपको थोड़ा सा बड़ा लग रहा होगा और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा होगा. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, डिजिट्स को हमें लिखना है इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग, बट इसी को कन्वर्ट करना है इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में. सो इन दिस वे वी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. इफ यू हैव द डाउट यू कैन राइट इन डाउट सेक्शन. ओके, now question number 9. Ninth question is keeping the place of 6 in the number same. So the number is 6 3 5 0 9 4 7. Form the smallest number. Means we have to make a smallest number by using these digits, but the place of 6 is fixed. Means 6 को हमें चेंज नहीं करना है. So we start from 6. Now we have to write the smallest number. Smallest number means next जो digit आएगी वो सबसे smaller होगी, उसके बाद में bigger, bigger and bigger. So which is the smaller digit among these? It is 0. Then start writing the digits in ascending order, means from smaller to bigger. सो 0 के बाद कौन सी डिजिट है जो बिगर है? 3, देन 4, 5, 7 एंड 9. So this is the answer. Again you can count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the answer of this question. And finally I am going to solve 10th question. So it is write each of the following in numerals. Students, this question is very important. First question is 5 crore 42 lakh 39. Okay, now solution. 5 crore 42 lakh 39. So it is 5 crore मीन्स आपको करोड़ के अकॉर्डिंग डिजिट्स जो है उनके प्लेसेस फिक्स करने. करोड़ मीन्स फर्स्ट आई विल रिजर्व द प्लेसेस ऑफ द डिजिट्स. मीन्स पहले हम कितने डिजिट्स होगी ये फिक्स कर लेते हैं. 5 करोड़ के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होगा, देखिए वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So there are 8 digits. Now it is 5 crore. So we write 5 crore. Then 42 lakh. It means where is the place of lakh? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we will use 2 digits because this is the place of 10. So it is 42 lakh. We write 42 lakh. Then 39. 39 means this is a 2-digit number and it will occupy ones and tens place. So 39 we will write here. There are no thousands in this number. आपको दिख रहा है कहीं भी thousands लिखा हुआ नहीं है, तो thousands की जगह हम 0 लिखेंगे और 100 की जगह भी 0 लिखेंगे because in this number we don't have thousands and hundreds place. So at thousands and hundreds place we will write 0. Now check this number: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it is 5 crore 42 lakh 39. Okay. And in the Indian system we have to put the comma also. So first comma is placed after 3 digits, then next is after every 2 digits. This is first part. If you want to note you can pause the video. Okay, अगर आपको मैथ्स नोटबुक में कुछ नोट करना है तो वीडियो को पॉज करके नोट कर सकते हैं. थर्ड पार्ट इज ओके, लेट फोर्थ पार्ट. Because if you understood first part you can also solve third. It is 600 20 1,005. 621,005. Now the answer will be, as you can see, it is 600. Okay, now you can see that 100 comes before 1000, so it is an international system. So it can be solved in this way. This is 621. Okay, so just you have to write 621 and 1000 means there are 3 places reserved for 1000. So it is 621,000 because when we write 1000 we use 3 zeros and it is 1000. Similarly, if it is 621,000 we write here 621, it is 1000. Then it is 5, just 5. So write 5 at the ones place and write zeros here, and finally you have to put the commas. So after every 3 digit you have to put the comma. I solve fifth part. Okay, so fifth part is 4,00,000 4,49,608. Okay, check it again. 4,49,608. Now the number is 4 million. Million means आपको ये चेक कर लेना है कि कितने डिजिट्स होंगे. सो डिजिट्स को हम फिक्स करते हैं. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 एंड मिलियन. Okay, it is 4 million, so you will write 4 million. Then 49,000, 4 million 49,000, and it is 608. So finally at last we will have 608. So you can write 608 here, and it between 4 million and 608, what is there? It is 49,000. So you have 49,000 here and 0 there, because the place of 49,000 is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. जैसे ही हम 10,000 काउंट करते हैं हमें 2 डिजिट लिखनी होती है. सो इट इज़ 49,608 एंड वी आर यूजिंग मिलियन हियर. सो इट इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. नाउ पुट द कॉमा after every 3 digits. 1 2 3 1 2 3, and this is the answer of this question. So students, I hope you understood, and do practice for international number system as given in the book. Read the theoretical part carefully and solve the examples also. Okay, then you will understand this concept well. Okay students, have a nice time.